Today we will discuss the topic mutation, and this topic is for class 12th biology. So here we will understand what is mutation, what are the causes of mutation, and what are the effects of mutation. See, mutation. So what is mutation? It is a change of the nucleotide sequence of a genome of an organism. It may be virus or extra chromosomal genetic elements. If any change takes place in the sequence of genome of an organism, that is called mutation. Here, types of mutations. So mutations may be substitution, insertion, deletion, or frame shift. So these are the types of mutations in which the sequence of nucleotide changes. Here, what is substitution mutation? What happens in substitution mutation? A substitution mutation is that in which one base pair of a gene changes. A substitution is a mutation that exchanges one base for another. Example is a change in a single or chemical letter, such as switching an A to G, means adenosine to guanine. These are the letters which are indicating the uh, in a genetic code. So adenine is replaced by guanine here. See here, this is a genetic sequence, genetic code. So here you can see adenine and guanine. So this is the original sequence of the gene, and here you can see in place of A, G is substituted. So this changes the information of this genetic code, and the information changes and it causes mutation. Now the insertion, second type of mutation, in which insertions are mutations. Insertions are the mutations where extra base pairs are inserted into a new place in the DNA. So here the base pairs, they are inserted, extra base pairs are inserted, and they change the information of the genetic sequence, and they cause mutation. See here, this is the sequence of DNA in which the nucleotide sequence is given. So this is the original nucleotide sequence. Here you can see in place of this genetic code, here one extra in place of C, A is inserted. So this causes the change in the nucleotide sequence here. So genetic code information change, and this also change the information of gene and cause mutations. Now inversions, where the sequence is reversed, the nucleotide sequence is reversed. See here, in inversion, a DNA sequence of a nucleotide is reversed. Inversions can occur among a few base pairs within the gene, or among longer DNA sequences that contain several genes. So this is the inversion, where the sequence of the DNA reversed. Here you can see this is the original sequence of nucleotides, and now see the original sequence of base pairs here, but here it is reversed, means like this. So this end comes here, and this end transfer to this side. So this is an inversion, and in this way the sequence of nucleotide changes, and this change the information of gene DNA. And when the information changes, this is called mutation. So here this is inversion of the sequence of nucleotides in the DNA. Deletion. So sometimes some nucleotides in the DNA, they are deleted due to some errors, and this also cause mutation. See here you can see one place here, this is nucleotide sequence that is coding for amino acid tyrosine, but here the sequence is deleted, and in place of this stop codons comes. So this also cause the mutation. Now frame shift mutation. Here, since protein coding in DNA is divided into codons, so 3 bases long. Codons are 3 base pairs long. Insertions and deletions can alter a gene so that its message is no longer correctly passed. So if any changes in the DNA sequence of the base pairs, if the base pair change its sequence, they are deleted, or anything change that takes place in the original form of sequence, that cause mutation. So here frame shift mutation is there, where the insertion and deletion can alter a gene so that the message changes and the correct message is not passed to the cell, and it causes the change in the behavior of the organism. See here, now you can see this is the correct information, but here you can see A is deleted, this sequence is deleted. So after C, here there should be double A, but it is deleted. Now the new message changes here. See, this is a new message which has been altered. Here it has been altered. Its correct message, it is a deletion. Here addition, they are showing deletion, addition both. So here one base pair is added, so information change, and here again if A deleted, information change. So this is original information, and this is the altered information. Both are the altered informations. So this sequence is the original sequence. Here due to addition of one base pair, information changes, message has been changed, and here also a deletion due to the A nucleotide, again the information has been changed. So this is a correct information, and these two are the altered informations. It causes mutations in the cell. Now gene mutation. Here gene mutation is a permanent change in the DNA sequence that make up a gene, because DNA of a particular sequence, it is called gene. So if any change takes place in the DNA sequence, it causes mutation. Mutations range in size from a single DNA holding block DNA base, only one base change maybe, or to a large segment of a chromosome. So they both small changes and large changes, they both alter the information, genetic information, that is called gene mutation. Now see how causes mutations to occur. So what are the factors which cause mutations? Here you can see the natural causes when DNA fails to copy accurately, if something or some error takes place due to any reason, when the DNA is not copied correctly, then the information changes and this causes mutation. So when a cell divides, it makes a copy of DNA, and sometimes the copy of DNA is not quite perfect. Some errors takes place and these errors cause mutation in the DNA. So DNA sequences changes due to the incorrect copying of DNA. Now external causes, the factors which causes mutation, they are called mutagens. In a genetics, a mutation or mutagen is a physical or chemical agent that changes the genetic material, usually the DNA, of an organism, and thus increases the frequency of the mutations above the natural background. So, if anything change, anything changes in the DNA that is not natural, that has been altered, so DNA sequence, if DNA sequence changes, the information changes and the frequency of mutations also increases. Effects of mutagens, they can affect the transcription and replication of DNA. It can also lead to the cell death if drastic changes takes place in the DNA. So death of the cell is possible because in the drastic change cell cannot survive, produces mutations that can result in a apparent aberrant and impaired or loss of functions of the gene. So if any change takes place, that may be, this may affect the functions of the gene, and also the accumulation of mutation may cause cancer also. Here chromosomal instability. So whenever chromosome breakage takes place, rearrangement of the chromosomes such as translocation or deletion or inversion in the arm of the chromosome, this can also cause mutations. And deletion or inversion in chromosome arms. So sometimes some mutagens can also cause aneuploidy, means change in the number of chromosomes, that is called aneuploidy. So number of chromosomes sometimes also changes, and the change in number of chromosome also cause the change of information in the cell. Types of mutagens which cause mutation, what are the types? Here the physical mutagens, ionizing radiations such as X-ray, gamma rays, alpha particles, they can cause the change in the DNA sequence, nucleotide sequence of DNA, which cause mutations. The most common source is cobalt 60 and cesium 137. Radioactive decay, they can also cause mutation in the cell. Now, ultraviolet radiations with wavelength above 260 nm, they can also cause mutations. And DNA reactive chemicals, some chemicals those are reactive for DNA, they can also cause mutations. They can also change the sequence of the nucleotide in the DNA and cause mutations. Some biological agents are also responsible for mutations, like viruses, viral DNA that can be inserted into the cell, and this finally it incorporated with the genome of the host organism and change the information of the genetic information of the organism and can cause mutations. And bacteria also, they can also damage the DNA and cause the change in the information of the DNA of the host organism, and they can also cause the mutations in the cell. Now protection. How we can protect ourselves from mutagens? So see here, the fruits, vegetables that are rich in antioxidants, they can save us from mutagens. So mutation can be prevented by using fruits and vegetables. Antioxidants are an important group of chemicals, compounds which are very important to protect us from mutation, to protect mutations. Now, an effective precautionary measure an individual can undertake to protect themselves is by limiting exposure to mutagens such as ultraviolet radiations or tobacco smoke. So very important thing, protect yourself from the UV rays and avoid tobacco smoking.